Have you noticed that tasks you used to do easily, like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even getting up from a chair, have started to feel a little harder than they used to? Maybe you've looked in the mirror and felt like your arms and legs aren't quite as firm as they were a few years ago. If so, you're definitely not alone. What you're likely experiencing is something called sarcopenia, a natural, but often overlooked, age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. It quietly affects nearly 1 in 3 adults over 60, and nearly half of those over 80. What makes it especially tricky is that it happens gradually, often without you realizing it until every day. Activities start feeling a little heavier, slower, or more tiring. But here's the good news. While sarcopenia might be common, it's not something you just have to accept. There are safe, simple, and natural ways to slow it down, and even reverse it in many cases, by making smarter choices about what you put on your plate. Today, I'm going to gently walk you through 7 essential foods that help defeat sarcopenia and protect your strength, mobility, and independence as you age. These foods are backed by real science, easy to add to your meals, and surprisingly delicious. Stick around because I'm going to break down exactly what these foods are, why they work, how to include them in your daily routine, and the small but powerful changes they can create in your body. And if you enjoy learning these kinds of science-backed tips to stay active, strong, and healthy at every stage of life, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more weekly videos designed especially for you. All right, let's dive right in. Let's start with food number 7, salmon. Salmon isn't just a heart-healthy fish. It's one of the most muscle-protective proteins you can eat. What makes salmon special is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These healthy fats don't just support your brain and heart. They also play a powerful role in reducing muscle inflammation and boosting muscle protein synthesis, especially in older adults. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors who took omega-3 supplements had significantly greater muscle gains from resistance training than those who didn't. Now, imagine the benefits when you're getting those nutrients naturally from food. Salmon is also packed with high-quality protein, providing around 22 grams per 3-ounce serving. Protein is the raw material your body uses to rebuild and maintain muscle. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to smaller amounts of protein, so it becomes even more important to get good quality sources. You can enjoy salmon grilled, baked, or broiled, or try it in a salad with olive oil and lemon. Canned wild salmon is a great budget-friendly option too. Greek yogurt is a fantastic food for seniors because it combines 2 essential muscle-preserving nutrients, calcium and protein. 1 cup of plain, low-fat Greek yogurt provides about 20 grams of protein, which is higher than regular yogurt, along with about 250 milligrams of calcium. Why is this combination so helpful? Well, as we age, not only do we need more protein to maintain muscle, but our bones also need more support to stay strong. Strong muscles work better when they're supported by strong bones, and calcium plays a key role in both muscle contraction and bone density. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, those friendly bacteria that improve digestion and help your body absorb nutrients more effectively, including calcium and magnesium, which are both important for muscle function. It's easy to enjoy Greek yogurt for breakfast, as a snack, or even in savory recipes like dips and sauces. Just be sure to choose unsweetened versions to avoid added sugars. Moving on to food number 5, eggs. Eggs are often referred to as nature's perfect protein, and for good reason. Each large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality, complete protein, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. But there's more to eggs than just protein. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that many older adults are lacking. Vitamin D isn't just for bone health. It also plays an important role in muscle strength and balance. Low levels of vitamin D are closely linked to muscle weakness, increased risk of falls, and faster muscle loss. A study in the Journal of the American Geriatrics Society found that seniors with higher vitamin D levels maintained better muscle strength over time than those with deficiencies. Eggs are also incredibly versatile. You can boil them, scramble them, poach them, or make a veggie-packed omelet. Don't be afraid of the yolk. That's where most of the nutrients are. Now let's talk about food number 4, spinach. This dark leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place on your plate if you're aiming to maintain muscle strength. Spinach is rich in magnesium, a mineral that acts as a natural muscle relaxer and helps regulate muscle contractions. Magnesium is often overlooked, but it's crucial for preventing muscle cramps, maintaining flexibility, and supporting recovery after physical activity. As we age, our bodies naturally absorb less magnesium, and some medications can further deplete it. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides about 40% of your daily magnesium needs. It's also high in iron, potassium, and vitamin K, all of which support muscle and bone health. Add spinach to your omelets, soups, stir-fries, or smoothies. And if you're not a spinach fan, other greens like Swiss chard, kale, and beet greens offer similar benefits. Up next is food number 3, chicken breast. When it comes to lean, muscle-friendly protein, chicken breast is a classic choice. A 3-ounce serving of cooked, skinless chicken breast provides about 26 grams of high-quality protein with very little fat. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle maintenance, and older adults need more than younger people to achieve the same muscle-building effects. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that older adults should aim for 25-30 grams of protein per meal to optimize muscle protein synthesis. Chicken breast is also a great source of B vitamins, particularly niacin and B6, which support metabolism and energy production in muscle cells. You can bake, grill, or saute chicken breast and pair it with steamed vegetables, quinoa, or brown rice for a balanced, muscle-supporting meal. Let's move to food number 2, quinoa. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based foods that offers complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. 1 cup of cooked quinoa delivers about 8 grams of protein, along with a generous helping of magnesium, potassium, and fiber. What makes quinoa special for seniors is not just its protein content, but its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation contributes to muscle breakdown and slows the rebuilding process, so foods that naturally fight inflammation are particularly valuable. Quinoa is easy to digest, naturally gluten-free, and incredibly versatile. You can use it as a base for grain bowls, salads, or side dishes, or even as a hot breakfast cereal with nuts and fruit. And now the one you've been waiting for, food number 1, beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are true muscle-protecting superstars, especially for seniors. Not only are they rich in plant-based protein, offering 7-9 grams per half cup, but they're also packed with fiber, iron, potassium, and magnesium. What makes them particularly helpful for preventing sarcopenia is their ability to support steady blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. Unstable blood sugar can lead to inflammation and muscle fatigue, while a healthy gut helps your body better absorb the nutrients needed for muscle repair and growth. A 2019 study in the journal Nutrients found that older adults who ate more legumes maintained greater muscle mass and function over time compared to those who rarely included them in their diets. Beans and lentils can be added to soups, stews, salads, or mashed into spreads and dips like hummus. They're affordable, filling, and endlessly versatile. Bonus tip, don't forget hydration and movement. While these 7 foods can do wonders for your muscle health, they work best when combined with regular movement and proper hydration. Muscle cells need water to function properly, and light resistance exercises or simple daily activities like walking, gardening, or stretching help maintain muscle strength and prevent stiffness. Aim for at least 6 to 8 cups of water a day, more if you're active or it's warm outside. Herbal teas, infused water, and water-rich fruits and vegetables can help too. So if you've been noticing signs of muscle loss, whether it's less strength, slower movements, or more frequent aches, know that you have the power to change that. By regularly including salmon, Greek yogurt, eggs, spinach, chicken breast, quinoa, and beans or lentils in your meals, you're giving your body the exact nutrients it needs to rebuild and maintain strong, healthy muscles, no matter your age. And remember, it's never too late to start. Small, consistent changes add up over time. Your future self will thank you. If you've made it this far, drop a comment below saying, "Strong at every age," to let me know you're serious about staying healthy and independent. And if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe for more easy, helpful tips, and share this with a friend or loved one who could use a little muscle-boosting inspiration. Thanks so much for spending this time with me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.